Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechBuzz. So, students, today I am going to teach you what is selling price and cost price in a very simple way. Now, let's meet Adil and Haris. As you can see them on the screen, now they both are very close friends. As you also have your close friends. Now, Adil is having one pen and Haris now wants this pen. Now he asks Adil to give his pen, but Adil says, I can't give this pen as free. Now Haris says, okay, I will give you 5 rupees. So Adil says, okay, I will give you this pen for 5 rupees. Now Haris has purchased this pen for 5 rupees. Now Haris is very happy with this pen and he bought this pen for rupees 5. So the cost price of this pen for Haris is rupees 5. Now one day, what happened? Kashif, friend of Haris, finds Haris with this pen. So he asks Haris to give this pen. So again, now Haris told Kashif that he can't give it for free. So Haris said, I will give this pen to you for rupees 8. So Kashif agreed and he says, okay, I will give 8 rupees to you and you will give this pen to me. So in this case, selling price of this pen for Haris is rupees 8. Now what you have understood? So the cost price means the price of a pen when he purchased, and now when he is selling he is getting rupees 8. Now you people tell me, for Haris, is he getting profit or is he getting loss? Yes, obviously he is getting profit because he bought it for rupees 5 and he is selling it for rupees 8. So simply Haris is getting profit. So how we will calculate profit? We can calculate by subtracting cost price from selling price. Yes, it's very easy. So 8 minus 5 will be 3. So Haris got 3 rupees as a profit. Yes. Now let's change this story. Now when Kashif was asking for this pen, so Haris says, I can give it for rupees 8. But Kashif on the other hand says, you are my friend. I don't have 8 rupees. Please give me for 4 rupees. So Haris says, okay, you are my best friend, so I can give you for 4 rupees. Now in this case, selling price of this pen for Haris is rupees 4. Now you people tell me, now Haris is getting profit or loss? Yes, he is on loss because he bought that pen for rupees 5 and now he is giving it for only 4 rupees. So what will be the loss? It will be a 1 rupee loss. So how you will calculate loss? Now what we learned in this chapter, that when someone is getting profits, so in that case he must be selling that item on a more price of that cost price. So in that case, selling price is greater than the cost price. Now in case of loss, if he is in a loss, so he must be selling his item with a loss. So what does it mean? That he must have bought that item with a higher cost and he is selling at a lower cost. So cost price is greater than the selling price. Now I have written one question, like profit is given, that is rupees 20, and cost price is given rupees 35. Now we know when profit is given, like someone is getting a profit, so in that case selling price is greater than the cost price. So how we will calculate selling price? We have to calculate selling price by adding profit to cost price. So the formula will be SP is equals to CP plus profit. Now one more question, we have profit of rupees 20 and we have SP rupees 40. So we have to find cost price. So how we will find cost price? We know it कि when the person is getting profit, so in that case the selling price is greater than the cost price. So he must have bought that item cheaper and he is selling that one at a profit. So how we will calculate the cost price? We can calculate by SP. So CP is equals to SP minus profit. So in that case 40 minus 20, so it's 20. Now he must have bought that item for rupees 20 and now he is earning 20 rupees as a profit. So 20 plus 20 is 40 and that is the selling price of that item. Now let's discuss the few cases of loss. Now here we have a loss of rupees 10 and the cost price is rupees 35 and we have to find selling price. Now how we will find selling price? Now it's very clear to you like if the person is getting a loss, so what does it mean? He must be selling the item at a lower cost. So in that case how you will find selling price? So SP is equals to CP minus loss. So if you calculate 35 minus 10 and it will be 25. Now he must be selling that item for rupees 25 and he must have bought that for rupees 35 and he is at loss of rupees 10. Now we have one more example where loss is given rupees 2 and selling price of that item is given for as rupees 5. Now what you have to find? You have to find cost price. Now you also remember what I told you like in case of loss CP is greater than SP. So how you will find CP? In this case you will add SP and loss and you will get the cost price. So 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. So he must have bought at that item for rupees 7 and he for loss he has to sell that item for rupees 5. Now what we conclude at the end that these are the formulas where you don't have to learn these formulas. Just imagine any real problem in your mind and you can create the formula for this. Now as I asked you some questions in my previous video and I promise that whoever will give me the answer, so they were the people who give me the correct answers. Yes, there was some small typing mistakes, so I told them. So Humaira Zama, Faizan Mia and Asim Shah, actually it was Falak. So it is a profile of her father. Okay, thank you for giving the answer. So that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching the whole video. हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें।